Welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 benefits of incorporating Garnet, the Stone of Renewal, into your crystal healing practice. How can Garnet benefit you? For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to incorporate crystal healing into your everyday life. And how can Garnet, the Stone of Renewal, help you? Well, this is Garnet. Garnet is the birthstone for those born in January. Garnet is a deep red, and when you have it in rings or pendants or earrings, then the light shining through will show you this nice, deep, brilliant red. When it's tumbled, like tumble quality garnet is so deep, it's nearly black. But this is actually a deep red piece of tumbled garnet. And if you were born in January and this is your birthstone, then pay close attention because the themes of garnet will be with you for your entire life. And these are things that you are either good at working with or you need to strengthen. And I will be posting a video about what garnet means to you. If you are born in the month of January, keep an eye out for that. And also, if you do feel like garnet is a stone that you want to work with, then I do have garnet bracelets and gemstone sets and pendants in my online store, and the link for that is in the description below. So, Garnet, the Stone of Renewal, how can it help us? Well, the first benefit of Garnet is that it removes internal negativity, and this could be energetic negativity or emotional negativity. And holding this gemstone, it cleanses your entire energetic system, your aura, your energy light system. It gives it a good cleansing, and it dissolves away any dark blockages, any negative attachments, any negativity that has built up in your life is cleaned away by garnet. So, if you're feeling stuck in a negativity rut, like you're feeling negative about everything, nothing seems to go right, you're just kind of grumpy about everything, then holding garnet will help shed whatever has accumulated on you to help give you a brighter, more optimistic view on life and the things going on for you. So if that feels familiar to you, then garnet is a great stone. It's just really uplifting. And the second benefit of garnet is that it inspires renewal. It helps us look at our everyday life with a fresh, new perspective. It helps you, see things that feel routine and everyday with a new freshness, crispness. Not only does garnet renew your energetic body, but it renews your attitude and your view on life as well. So this is great for relationships, long-standing jobs, long projects that you're working on, everything that's starting to feel blah. It helps you, it motivates you, and helps you look at it from a different light, like spin it around and inspires you to change it up a bit. Maybe you change up that routine. Maybe you go to work a different way. Maybe you learn something new at work, or you go on a different date in your relationship. It just inspires newness in our lives. The third benefit of garnet is that it's an enormous support during crisis. This is a wonderful stone to have with you if you feel like your life is in utter chaos right now, or you're going through a really major crisis in your life. Maybe it's a financial difficulty, maybe it's a loss, maybe you've lost your job, maybe you're not doing well in school, maybe you're getting a divorce, like really major issues in our lives, garnet is there to support you. It provides a safe, energetic space for you to feel secure. It also helps calm emotions and panic and anxiety and stress that might build up during crisis, so that you can react to whatever's going on in a really calm, thoughtful manner. Garnet is really good if you're in a situation that just feels hopeless, like it's something that you can't get out of. Like, garnet not only helps us feel and see the light at the end of the tunnel, but it also inspires new ideas and ways that we can maybe help ourselves in that situation. So garnet, it helps boost courage and strength and optimism when life is dark. And the fourth benefit of garnet is that it's a red stone, it's a love stone, and it helps strengthen our relationships. It helps strengthen the commitment we have in relationships. It helps increase the love and the warmth and the devotion and those, cozy feelings that we feel for our partner. So if you have a relationship that's feeling a little stagnant, you want to fan the flames, then garnet helps inspire that spark. It helps light the spark and reignite those passions in your relationship. So if you are in a long-term relationship and it's feeling a little stale, then wear some garnet, go out on a date night, and let it lift you up and really get that fire going again. So garnet is a stone that really is bright and fresh and uplifting. So it helps wash away negativity, help us during crisis. It helps us look at things in a fresh light, and it wants us to love. So if any of those aspects of garnet, feel like something that you need, then go get some garnet. And it doesn't have to be a tumble stone. Garnet is available in abundance in jewelry, rings, pendants, earrings. Like, you can find garnet everywhere, and it doesn't matter how big it is. If you have a garnet ring, you're wearing that, it's gonna help you. You're gonna get the benefits of that. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about garnet and how it can help you in your daily life. And if you feel like garnet is a stone you'd like to explore with more, in 2 days on Saturday, I'll be posting a guided meditation with garnet. And you don't need a piece of garnet to benefit from the guided meditation. If anything in this video, or if any of the prompts that I bring up during the guided meditation really speak to you or call to you or trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get some garnet and start working with it some more. If you're new to the channel, I wanted to let you know that I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post these videos about the healing and supportive benefits of gemstones. And on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone. So if you're interested in learning about a lot of different gemstones and the ways they can help you, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation.